Take a look at this beginner-friendly yet powerful indicator that provides perfect buy and sell signals with profit targets and actual signals to re-enter trades so that you can catch even more of that trend. The TradingView indicators I'm going to share with you in this video are so accurate that they almost never give false signals. What about this magical tool with a win ratio of over 90%? Isn't that unbelievable? So, keep watching till the end, because there are a ton of indicators in this video that will help you to advance your trading skill and abilities. So, if that's something you're interested in, as always, hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to get notified when we upload a new video. Now let's get right into the video. The first indicator on our list is known as the Trend Trader Remastered. To add this indicator to the chart, you are going to click on this Indicators tab and search for the Trend Trader Remastered, and it is going to be this one. Now imagine being able to use a trading indicator that makes spotting valid trend direction very easy. This outstanding indicator, which Trend Trader updated, takes what you know about the parabolic SAR and elevates it by combining it with Bill Williams's fractal analysis to provide precise buy and sell signals, along with ideal take profit and re-entry points. The secret is to catch trends at the right time, not just when they happen. The enhanced parabolic SAR gives you incredibly clear entry signals so you can confidently enter a trend, but the Bill Williams fractals deliver a double blow by providing you with exact take profit signals and ideal re-entry opportunities once those profits are locked in. And here's where it gets even better. Instead of just one take profit signal, Trend Trader Remastered dishes out multiple progressive take profit levels. This helps you ride trends longer and maximize your gains without second guessing. Let's say the indicator produces a buy signal. You open a trade and set the stop loss at the green line. Once you receive a take profit signal, you move the stop loss to break even and take 20% of the position off. At the next take profit signal, you take 30% of your position off, securing another chunk of the trend, and so on. When the indicator produces a re-entry signal, you open a new long position and manage it in the same way. This type of money management is super effective in both trending and ranging. Now when you go to the setting of the indicator, you can see that the buy signal checkbox for trade entry, take profit and re-entry, also the sell entry, take profit, and the re-entry. Over here you will see the stats that the indicator uses to calculate the parabolic SAR. When you increase this maximum, you will have the buy and sell signals clustering so much on the price. You can play around with settings here to know the ones that will work with your strategy. The Style tab only has the checkboxes for the different components of the indicator. The next indicator on my list will leave you stunned. So the name of this instrument is the Future Trend Channel by Chart Prime. So you are going to click on the Indicator tab, and then you are going to search for the Future Trend Channel, and it is going to be this one. It is a powerful tool that helps you spot trends and predict future price movements. It works by creating channels based on the simple moving average and market volatility. Here's how it works. The channels show the direction of the trend, making it easy to see whether the market is moving up, down, or staying flat. When the market slows down and momentum drops, the channel changes to a neutral color, alerting you to possible consolidation. The best part? The indicator can forecast future price levels up to 50 bars ahead, giving you a clear idea of where the market might be heading. This combination of trend detection and price projection makes it a valuable tool for any trader. Let me tell you, these predictions are super accurate, but wait, there's more. This tool doesn't just stop at predicting future price, it also gives you momentum-based color shifts, signaling when the market is gaining or losing strength. Plus, it gives you trend confirmation signals, the green diamonds for uptrends and the orange diamonds for downtrends. You will be cued to jump in with confidence. One of the most accurate strategies is to enter a long or short trade on a continuation signal you see. Early trend shift signals are also quite accurate, but to minimize risk, I suggest waiting for a second signal in the same direction after a consolidation. This will ensure an accurate entry. When you go to the setting, the first setting you will see is the trend length. This is where you set the number of bars the indicator will use to calculate the trend channels. The next setting is the channel width. This will allow to adjust the width of the channels based on volatility using the ATR multiplier. You can set it to 5 to accommodate more volatility. And the last thing, which is the index of future price. This allows you to set the number of bars used for future price projection. The Style tab only has the labels, line fills, and the lines. Now moving on to the third indicator on my list. This indicator is called the Target Trend by Big Beluga. To add the indicator to the chart, simply go to the Indicator tab and search for Target Trend, and then click on this one. Now the Target Trend indicator is a revolutionary trend-following tool. that can help you make trading decisions more quickly, easily, and accurately. Imagine having a powerful tool that not only helps you find the best entry points, but also automatically determines your stop loss and profit targets every single time. Here's the magic. Target Trend Indicator uses adaptive simple moving average bands to detect when the trend is shifting, giving you real-time updates on where the market is heading. When a trend change happens, it doesn't leave you hanging. The system instantly drops an entry signal, complete with arrows to guide you in the right direction. Additionally, the indicator calculates your stop loss too, so you can set it up with confidence whether the trend is heading up or down. What's even cooler? You can set 3 different target levels to lock in your profits according to your strategy, and as the price moves, the system adapts, keeping you in the game and always ready to make your next move. It's like having a real-time trading assistant right on your chart. When your target is hit, you will see it confirmed with a green check mark. If your stop loss is triggered, it's clearly displayed with a red X and the line becomes dashed, signaling that the trade is closed. It's clear, intuitive, and designed to keep you focused on the most important thing, the trend. When you go to the setting of the indicator, the Input tab only has the trend length and the set target. You can adjust them the way you want, but in this video, I'm just going to leave them at their default setting. The Style tab also has these checkboxes for the different components of the indicator, and then you are going to click OK. The Adaptive Kalman Trend Filter by Zierman is the 4th indicator on my list, which will allow you to read the market like never before, anticipate trends, filter out noise, and make precise, wise trades. This accurate tool not only displays the current trend but also its strength. For example, if the filter is green, the trend is bullish. If it turns red, the bears should be watched. You can determine when a trend is gaining traction, and more crucially, when it is losing momentum using real-time insights about market oscillations. How can you put this knowledge to use in practice, you might wonder? Assuming that the green filter indicates that the price is heading upward, the trend abruptly weakened, and the price pulls back into the Kalman trend band. Your next move, look for the bullish trend to regain momentum again once the reading reaches 100%. A long entry can initiate the perfect strategy that wins almost every time. The Adaptive Kalman Trend Filter Indicator is a statistical tool that helps traders identify market trends accurately. The indicator uses the Kalman filter, a control theory and signal processing algorithm, to smooth price data and filter out noise. It's suitable for both trend following and range-based trading strategies. The indicator's adaptive nature is enhanced by volatility adjustment options and 3 unique Kalman filter models. Here's another great indicator, the Adaptive Kalman Filter Indicator, also created by Zierman. But this one is a bonus indicator to the already discussed 4 indicators. The Zierman's Adaptive Kalman Filter, Trend Strength Oscillator, is a sophisticated trend-following indicator that uses advanced mathematical techniques to decompose price movements into trend and oscillatory components, providing a clearer view of market direction and strength. This indicator is divided into 2 parts, the Kalman filter trend line on the chart and this oscillator below the chart. Both of them can be used in conjunction to determine the market's trend direction. The oscillator part of the indicator behaves exactly like the RSI indicator. It has the overbought and oversold thresholds, such as +70 and -70. These thresholds help identify extreme conditions. When the oscillator reaches these levels, it suggests that the trend may be overextended, possibly signaling an upcoming reversal. The blue areas in the oscillator suggest potential trend reversals, helping traders identify emerging market shifts. Now, how do we use this indicator, you might be asking? So whenever these Kalman trend lines in the oscillator bands changes to green, we should be looking for buy signals, and when both of them are changing to red, we should start looking for sell signals. For example, here on the chart, you can see that the Kalman trend lines and the oscillator bands are changing to red after this blue area. And this reading also confirms the potential long-term downtrend. Then you will grab Short Position tool and enter a short trade at the close of this candle, and set your stop loss at this high, and extend your profit target down to this level. If you play the price forward, you can see that the price eventually hit our profit target. Now, if you know another trader that might benefit from this video, please share it out with them, and let us know in the comment section below the concepts you would like to see covered in the next video. Please don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to our channel to get notified when we upload a new video.